It's not a job to me. I come in and do what I love. Is that a job? Maybe. I don't think I could do this if it was just a job. Detailing to me is my passion. It's my hobby. Honestly, it's the only thing that makes me happy. That and working on my car too. Nothing else comes close really. It's the perfect distraction for me. Life isn't very long. You need to spend it doing what you love, creating memories of things you love. People come and go, even materialistic things will come and go, but memories will always stay. I'm not even sure how Sam's Detailing has turned into what it is now. It just happened. I didn't try to do anything special. I just made detailing products that I wanted for myself, and people have ended up liking what I do and what my team does. Honestly, if you look at detailing enthusiasts all over the world, we're all pretty much the same anyway. We all just want simple, cool products. I don't see it as anything more or anything less than that. Everything I make is pretty much developed and completed outside by hand. I try prototypes, keep altering until it feels right to me. When it feels right, we make it and people tell me if they like it or don't like it. Nothing is really scientifically made in a lab. I don't believe in it. Everybody works in different conditions, so why test in a lab? For me, it's all about tweaking in the real world. That's the whole point of it. I make and test outside. If I'm happy with it, then I'm confident my customers will be. I say customers, but to me they're more like my family because I feel like they're buying from me. When you worry about making as much money as possible, you stop worrying about making the best product. I like to come to work and think about how I can deliver people something different, something better, something awesome. That's what Sam's Detailing is all about. So yeah, I'm Sam from Sam's Detailing.